So I got my packages today and I really quickly did my eyebrows so I can show you guys what I got. You know how I was talking about in the last video how I wanted to do my nails and stuff? I did get a nail drill from makartt. I've never used one and I'm hoping it is good. I did get some more poly gel. I have this. I will be making like a Valentine's Day set. I'm still not good at it, but you guys can join me on the ride of learning how to do this. Okay, listen, my desk is crusty musty, but you're just gonna have to deal with it for right now. It has the instructions. In it, you get the file, you get the spatula and brush. It then comes with a top and base coat. If you want to know what all the colors are, I'll just put an image of what's on the listing, I guess. It comes with the dual forms. I think these are different sizes as well as different shapes. You get the regular, like curved ones. I like these ones. I haven't tried the flatter ones, but you also get the flat ones too. Back to the crusty desk, but this is the drill. This is what you plug it into. Here you get the power and the forward and reverse. This is the speed. This is like a little, yeah, you do get all the pieces. And I think these are also instructions. Just gonna plug it in. You unlock it by spinning it. You take this piece out. I don't think you have to put it in all the way. It doesn't vibrate that much. I'm just gonna show you really quick. I'm just gonna try this out because I've never used one before and I'm honestly really scared. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. I'm turning it down because I am getting more closer to my actual nail and I do not want to burn myself. So what I think I'm gonna do is take this off because it is starting to burn. And take that out and maybe use the smaller one. I'm just gonna go in with my file. Okay, so I did not record any more of me filing. I'm sure you guys can tell that I did very badly. If any of you guys know how to like properly do it or know like a video on how to do it, let me know in the comments. Also just spent the last like 3 hours of my life doing one hand of nails. The nail drill, pretty fun, fresh. After I got over the fear of it, I was fine. I didn't record it yet, but I'm gonna do my other hand of nails the same way I did them this time. I did not like hurt myself, so I think I'm okay. I'm chilling, guys. Don't even worry about it. Let me know also in the comments if you'd like to watch me do nail videos, even though I'm not good at them. Give this video a like, please, and subscribe. Once again, let me know what I'm doing wrong. I'm covering the light. That's also what I'm doing wrong. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, por favor. Listen, I actually have an ending this time. Goodbye.